Hi, my name is Michel Cote. I'm administrator of the syndicate of co-ownership here that has 120 apartments. I will talk to you about the Unify access that is installed here. And we changed to Unify because the previous system was really not user-friendly. Like this little box, no tactile screen, very let's say, difficult to understand how it works. So we switched to this, which is totally a new world. And first, for the visitor, it's very easy to use. You just need to press the directory. You can scroll up and down for to find your resident, or you can search by typing the name here. You can search with the keyboard and just start to type the name, and first name, last name, doesn't matter, and you can retrieve your, say, the resident you want to reach. And then you make the call. So very easy for a visitor delivery guy. And we have a lot of movements here, and delivery, visitor, and the residents passing by this door. Very easy to use. For the resident, the good thing is they can see now with the application, they can see the person calling from the lobby. So for them, it's a big advantage, and they can talk with them and just open the door easily with the application. The resident also has more advantage. So yeah, they receive the call, but when they enter here, they can use the face recognition, which is totally new here and very convenient, and it works really. They can also use the NFC with their phone. They can have a PIN number, and in some occasion we can generate a QR code, depending if they have a group of people coming visiting there, or let's say a company coming for renovation, whatever. They can use a QR code or the PIN code to enter and go directly to the apartment. So basically, this is for the first user. For the administration, which is very important, is the security. So this system is really, let's say, it gives you a lot of information and very quickly, like the picture from the camera and any movement, something, let's say, when you want to see somebody, it could be a delivery guy or a visitor or somebody who's not supposed to be there, trying to reach a lot of residents just to enter. We can easily retrieve all those events, and then let's say identify the person and maybe find the person in the building with the other cameras, which is good because this Unify device is also linked with the whole system with the camera. So it's very good for an administrator. The time you spend on retrieving those videos, recordings, it's much more easier and faster with their system.